Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be telling you some of the things you need to be doing to retain your audience, maintain them, and keep them loyal to yourself. Does it sound strange? No, it is very, very simple. The things that I will be telling you, they are kind of, seasonings that you are going to use to spice up your channel so as to, maintain your audience and keep them running back to your channel. All right, if this video is the kind of video that you have been expecting, I want you to stick around, watch this video from beginning to finish, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell for subsequent informative videos like this. All right, the number one thing you need to do to retain your audience so as to be loyal to yourself is this: be consistent with your content or with your upload. What do I mean by this? If you have chosen to be uploading video 3 times in a week, please maintain it. Make your audience to know the days of your upload. Don't keep them waiting. Don't keep them waiting. So don't come and drop one video on Tuesday and the next day you will upload video will be on Saturday. No. If you upload 3 times in a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, maintain it and stop keeping your audience waiting. So many people will even go ahead in writing them down, the days of your upload. And when they come to your channel and find out that you have not dropped any video, they will be disappointed. So be consistent with your upload. Then when I say be consistent with your content is this: don't be jack of all trade and the master of none. Okay, don't be following trends. Today you are doing cooking content, tomorrow you are doing football content, and next tomorrow you are doing teaching content. It doesn't work that way. What you are going to do by doing this is to confuse your audience. They are not going to trust you with the kind of content you put out to the public. Okay, they will be confused with the kind of content you are bringing. You will also confuse the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm will be confused on the right audience to channel your video. So do not confuse your audience and do not confuse the algorithm with your random posting, with your random content. Just be specific. You can choose just niches and be consistent with those niches. All right, that is just it. The second thing you need to be doing to keep your audience loyal is this: always reply to their questions. Okay, in fact, marry your comment section. Always be there, answer their questions. Okay, if an audience asks you question, don't just reply by sending likes or giving them thumbs up. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, reply with comments. Let them know that you are always there with them. There are some people that when they go to other people's channel and they ask questions, didn't get the reply they expected, they will run back to your channel because you are always there with them. So always reply to them. Replying to their question will make them to feel at home with your channel. We make them to feel belong, to be one of the family community. It will keep them coming back, being loyal to your channel. Okay, not just only that, it will also keep your channel engaged. And you know what happens when your channel is very, very much engaged? The YouTube algorithm will keep pushing your videos to the public. That is just it. So marry your comment section. I hope that is taken. Another thing you need to be doing is this: avoid too much introduction. Too much introduction will actually kill your channel. That is just it. You take up to 1 minute introducing yourself, telling the whole world whom you are and whom you are not. No, it is not everybody that have that time, that have that patience to listen to all those long introduction. So make it simple. Okay, hit the nail on the head. That is just it. The next thing you need to be doing is this: celebrate your wins with your audience. Okay, after all, we are all families, so celebrate it with them. Let them know your sad moments. All right, when you are monetized, celebrate it with them. When you are yet to be monetized, celebrate it with them. When you are demonetized, celebrate it with them. Let them learn from your mistakes and also learn from your wins. It is not only on YouTube. You can go to other social platform and they celebrate with them. By doing that, they will come back to your channel and watch your videos, and by so doing you will gain more views from them. So learn to share your wins with your channel audience, other platform audience, so as to gain more views from them. Another thing which you need to do, and do it always, is this: keep your audience updated. Okay, when you are not feeling fine, let them know. When you are traveling, let them know. When you cannot upload, let them know. Don't keep them waiting, like I always said. Okay, let them always know when you cannot upload. If you upload every Monday and maybe something happens and you cannot upload that very Monday, please, on Sunday, let them know that you cannot be able to upload video on Monday. It is so simple. Okay, so always keep them updated. I hope you have learned from today's class. Yes, school dismiss. I'm not teaching again. I need a bottle water. Thank you for sticking around. See you in my next video. Bye for now.